Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can free up RAM on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. There are a few things that you can do in order to free up the RAM. First and foremost, we can go to the settings, and then you can scroll down, and over here you need to find device care. If you go here, then you can choose memory, and after a few seconds we should have this option, free up memory by stopping background apps. So we can press clean now, and after a few seconds we should have some memory back. Another thing that you can do, if you use a live wallpaper, for instance from TikTok, then you can just change it to a static image like this one over here. Of course you don't really have to do that, but this is definitely a great way to free up some RAM. And if you don't know how to change the wallpaper yet, then you need to go to the settings, and this time we need to go to wallpaper and style, and finally over here we have the option change wallpapers, and here you can select any wallpaper that you like. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one. Over here you can choose if you want it for lock screen and home screen, or just one of them. Press next, confirm at the top right corner, and there we go. So now this is how we can change the wallpaper. Another thing that we can do requires us to go to settings. This time we want to go to apps, and then over here we need to find apps and that we really do not tend to use that much. So let's say we can go, in this example I'm just gonna choose Google Chrome, and we can force stop an app. So you can press this button in the bottom right corner and confirm that you want to force stop it. If apps are forced stopped, then they won't be running in the background until you actually open them. You can also disable apps that you don't use that often by using this disable button in the middle. Now let's go back. This time we want to go to battery. So let's scroll up, and over here we have battery, and here we can go to background usage limits, and here we have some put unused apps to sleep. We can make sure that this one and this option is enabled, although it mostly drains the battery. It also helps you keep RAM unused when it's not, of course, needed. Keep in mind that you can also close background apps by yourself manually. All you need to do is use this button if you use the three button navigation, and then we have the close all option, which also frees up some RAM. On the other hand, if you use the swipe gestures in order to navigate on your device, then you need to swipe from the top like so, hold it in the middle, and then you can release it. And then we have the same option to close all apps that are running in the background. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!